Okay, let's read now the problem. Find the value of dy by dx when y is equal to cos of x multiplied by cos of 2x multiplied by cos of 3x, right? So clearly y can be written as f of x1 multiplied by f of x2 multiplied by f of x3, right? So y is nothing but this is our dependent variable, right? So y is our dependent variable and this x1 comma x2 comma x3 are our independent variables, right? So these are our independent variables, right? So what we need to find, we need to find the rate of change of dependent variable with respect to an independent variable, right? Provided the given function, right? So what we have been given here, we'll be writing as it is, right? So let's write given y is equal to cos of x multiplied by cos of 2x multiplied by cos of 3x, right? So now let's take log both sides, right? So we'll be taking natural log, that is the base of the log is e, right? So let's take log. Log base e y is equal to log of the entire RHS term, that is product of the cos terms, right? That is cos of x multiplied by cos of 2x multiplied by cos of 3x, right? So we have taken the log for the entire LHS term as well as for the RHS term, right? So let's recall the basic property of the log that I have learned in the previous classes, that is log base e m cross n will be equal to the sum of the logs, that is log base e plus m plus log e n, right? So this is the very basic property of the logarithmic that we'll be using in order to solve our problem, right? In this, the product of the logs, right? Product of the log of terms can be written as the sum of the terms, right? So basically log base e m cross n can be written as the sum of the separate logs, right? Having the having the same exponential, that is e, right? So log base e y is equal to the, now we'll be using this property, right? We'll be using this property, right? So we'll be writing it as a sum of the cos terms, right? So log base e cos of x plus log base e cos of 2x plus log base e cos of 3x, right? So we'll be writing this. Now, as we can all see, our equation has become simplified. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, right? So d by dx of log base e y, right? D by dx of the entire RHS term, that is log base e cos of x plus log base e cos of 2x and log base e cos of 3x, right? So we'll be differentiating the entire term, right? Uh, yes. So now differentiation of log e base y will be 1 by y multiplied by dy by dx, right? Now this d by dx term, right? This d by dx term follows a distributive property, right? So it will be differentiating log e cos of x, then log e cos of 2x, then log e cos of 3x, right? Okay, so let's understand a very basic concept, right? How we will differentiate, right? Log of x, right? So let's understand, right? So what we have learned in our previous classes is that log, right? Let us write log base e x d by dx of log e x is equal to 1 by x, right? The differentiation of log x is 1 by x multiplied by, what is the remaining term? The remaining term is d by dx of x. All right. Okay. So this is the our given property, right? So in place of x, as we can notice clearly, in place of x, if we will write the cos x term, then it will make no difference, right? So we are going to write this as it is. So 1 by cos x, right? D by dx of cos of x, right? Plus differentiation of log e base cos 2x will be 1 by cos 2x multiplied by d by dx of cos 2x, right? In a similar way, 1 by cos 3x multiplied by d by dx of cos of 3x, right? So now 1 by y, right? Let us write 1 by y multiplied by dy by dx, right? This will be equal to differentiation of cos x is minus sin x. So 1 by cos x multiplied by minus sin x. In a similar way, 1 by cos 2x, right? Multiply by d by dx of cos 2x is minus 2 sin 2x, right? Plus 1 by cos 3x multiply by differentiation of cos 3x is minus 3 sin 3x, right? So again, 1 by y multiplied by dy by dx, this will be equal to, right? Let us write sin by cos is tan x, so minus tan x minus 2 is already here, so 2 sin 2x upon cos 2x is tan 2x, right? Minus 3 is already here, so we'll be writing 3 as it is. Sin 3x upon cos 3x is tan 3x. Right? So we'll be keeping it in a bracket. Right? So now we'll be finding the value of dy by dx. Right? So let us write the value dy by dx. Now what we'll be doing? We'll be cross multiplying this y into the RHS term. Right? So y will be cross multiplied with RHS term. Y multiplied by minus tan of x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x. Right? So let us calculate dy by dx, right? So we'll be using the value of y that is already given in the question, that is cos of x multiplied by cos of 2x multiplied by cos of 3x, right? Plus product of the entire, right, RH system, that is minus tan of x minus 2 tan 2x minus 3 tan 3x, right? So that's all. Like we have, we are asked to find the value of dy by dx, and we have successfully found it. Thank you. This is the answer. Thank you so much.